Hello everyone. I would like to share with you few points from the message of our Holy Father Pope Francis. In his message for the first ever World Day for grandparents and the elderly, he said, "The whole church is close to you, cares about you, loves you, and does not want to leave you alone." So, my dear friends, Holy Father is asking each one of us to identify ourselves with the elderly as one of them. Secondly, he recounted the story of Saint Joachim, the grandfather of Jesus, who, according to tradition, was consoled by a messenger of the Lord when he felt estranged from those around him as he recalled the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic. Pope said, "The Lord is aware of all that we have been through in this time. He is close to those who felt isolated and alone, feelings that became more acute during the pandemic." Thirdly, Holy Father speaks something about angels and messengers. The face of our grandchildren and family members bear a resemblance to that of angels because of their care to the elderly by visiting them with a gentle hug and smile. At the same time, Pope said, "The Lord also sends us messengers through His words, which are always at hand. So try to read a page of the Gospel every day. Pray the Psalms and read the prophets. For the scriptures always help us to understand what the Lord is asking of our lives every hour of the day." Fourthly, every human person existing on earth has a mission to be fulfilled. So, what is the occasion of the elderly? Irrespective of their age, if they are alone or have a family, if they work or not, or if they are grandparents or not, the occasion of the elderly is to preserve our roots, to pass on the faith to the young, and to care for the little ones. The Pope underlined that there is no retirement age from the work of proclaiming the gospel and handing down tradition to grandchildren. Joel chapter 13 verse 1 says, "Your old men shall dream dreams, and your young men will have visions." For Francis said that the future of the world depends on the covenant between young and old, because who, if not the young, can take the dreams of the elderly and make them come true? For this to happen, it is necessary that we continue to dream our dreams of justice, of peace, of solidarity. Explaining further, the Pope said that dreams are intertwined with memory. So keeping memory alive and sharing it with others is a true mission for every elderly person. It is like building a house with a strong and firm foundation, and the foundation of life is memory. Finally, speaking on the prayer of the elderly, Pope Francis said, "Prayer of the elderly is a very precious resource, a deep breath that the Church and the world urgently need, that inspires in everyone the serene trust that we will soon come to show, especially in these times as we continue to sail in the same boat across the stormy sea of the pandemic." Dear friends, every word that we speak may bring consolation to the hearer and assurance and comfort from Jesus. As we reflect on the theme, "I am with you always," on this auspicious day, may this theme bring us very close to Jesus, very close to our parents, and especially very close to our elderly and grandparents. Let us love them. Let us take care of them. They are the beautiful gift given by God in our family. Thank you.
Ikut fast. Three chance.
Aku mari wahai blessings